If you work really hard at something and you put in the hours, then you're definitely going to get to where you want to be. I'm Claire and I'm a photographer and lifestyle blogger from London. I'm really fortunate to do what I love, and it's by no means been a quick journey. It took over 2 years to get to where I am today, and even longer if you consider when I started at university. But if you work really hard at something and you put in the hours and you put in a lot of work, then you're definitely going to get to where you want to be. I'm living proof of this. So I'm never ever without my camera. I have a Canon 5D Mark IV. And the best thing about my camera is that you can just download straight to the phone and upload your images into Adobe Lightroom CC, which means I can edit on the go. So I often get asked by people how I've got to where I am today. So I've got 3 of my top tips for you. The first one is network. Network, network, network. It's so important. My next tip is get to know your editing tools. I swear by Adobe Lightroom CC, both for my phone when I edit on the go and on my computer. And my third top tip is just say yes to every opportunity and yes to everything. Thanks to Adobe, I've got a lot of very exciting things in the pipeline, and they wouldn't have been possible without Adobe Lightroom CC. Future is yours. Make it.